Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered about the patterns of stars twinkling above? Since ancient times, humans have connected the dots, forming pictures and stories in the stars. These star patterns are called constellations, and they hold both mythical tales and scientific significance. Welcome to this fascinating journey where we explore the myths and science of constellations, a story woven through human history, cultural beliefs, and astronomical discoveries. Let's start with the basics. A constellation is a group of stars that forms a recognizable pattern when viewed from Earth. These patterns might resemble animals, mythological figures, or objects. But here's the catch. These stars are not actually close to each other in space. Some stars in a constellation might be millions of light years apart. Yet from our perspective on Earth, they appear grouped together. Ancient civilizations used constellations as navigational guides, seasonal markers, and storytelling tools. Even today, astronomers use constellations as a map to locate stars, planets, and other celestial objects. Constellations have been recorded for thousands of years. The earliest evidence dates back to prehistoric times. Some ancient cave paintings resemble star patterns. Different civilizations developed their own constellations and created mythological stories around them. Let's explore some of these fascinating legends. The Greeks gave us many of the constellations we recognize today, thanks to the works of astronomers like Hipparchus and Ptolemy. One of the most famous Greek myths is about Orion the hunter. According to legend, Orion was a mighty hunter, boasting that he could defeat any beast. This angered Gaia, the earth goddess, who sent a giant scorpion to kill him. After Orion's death, the gods placed him in the sky as the Orion constellation, with Scorpius forever chasing him across the heavens. That's why Orion and Scorpius are never seen in the sky together. They appear in different seasons. The Egyptians also connected their myths to the stars. The three stars in Orion's belt were linked to the god Osiris, ruler of the underworld. The alignment of the Great Pyramids of Giza with Orion's belt suggests that the Egyptians built their structures based on astronomical beliefs. In Chinese astronomy, constellations were divided into 4 celestial regions, each represented by a guardian animal. One of the most important is the Azure Dragon of the East, symbolizing spring and renewal. The Chinese star charts, dating back over 2,000 years, were crucial for agriculture and governance. Native American cultures also had rich star legends. The Lakota people saw the Pleiades cluster as the 7 sisters and believed they were watching over them. Meanwhile, in Hindu mythology, the constellation Ursa Major, Saptarishi, represents the 7 great sages who guide human wisdom and knowledge. While myths are fascinating, science gives us a clearer understanding of constellations. Stars in a constellation are not actually connected. They are scattered across the galaxy at different distances. However, astronomers still use constellations as a reference system to locate objects in the sky. The International Astronomical Union, IAU, has officially recognized 88 constellations, covering the entire celestial sphere. One of the most famous groups of constellations is the zodiac. These are 12 constellations that lie along the ecliptic, the path the sun appears to follow through the sky. Astrology associates these constellations with personality traits, but in astronomy, they serve as a celestial roadmap for planetary movement. Want to find constellations in the night sky? Here are some easy ones to start with. Orion. Look for Orion's belt, 3 bright stars in a row. Ursa Major, the Big Dipper, a famous group of stars that helps locate the North Star. Cassiopeia, a W-shaped constellation visible in the northern sky. Using a star map or an astronomy app can help you locate constellations at different times of the year. Did you know that constellations are slowly changing? Because stars move over thousands of years, the patterns we see today will look different in the distant future. This is called stellar drift, and it means that in 100 years, the night sky will be unrecognizable. Constellations remind us of our shared human history. They connect mythology with science, past with present, and mystery with discovery. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember you're gazing at the same stars that guided sailors, inspired myths, and shaped civilizations for thousands of years. Like, share, subscribe for more.